Alright friends, you should be looking at this butterfly page. So what you're going to do is you're going to roll 3 dice. Now I know what you're thinking, Miss Willie, I don't have any dice at my house. So, you're going to get on your Clever page. And when you get on your Clever, you're going to get down to math. And you're going to see this dice. When you click on it, it'll take you to a page that says 3. It has 3 dice. So when you click on it, it's going to roll them. And you count the number on top. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to go back and look at my butterfly. And I'm going to find the number 10. And I'm going to color that spot. Whatever color you want. I'm going to color it blue. Just color one spot. So number 10. Now you're going to go back to your dice and click them. And it's going to roll them again. Remember, count the numbers on top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to find the number 14. And then you can color it whatever color you want. This is a little different than our color by number or our color by sight word, because you get to pick the color and then just color that one spot. Alright, now I'm going to go back to my dice, click them to roll them, go down to the page, now count the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I'm going to go back to my picture and find the number 9 and color that spot. Remember, only color one spot. Alright, go back to your dice page. Click them to roll them. Remember, don't count all the dots that you can see. Then you'll have way too big of a number and it won't be on your page. And then you'll be confused. Just count the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to go back to my page and find the number 8. And I'm going to color it. I'm going to color this number 8. Alright, you're going to do that until your whole picture is colored. Alright, when you get done with that, you can get on Splash Learn and you can play some games. And you can get on there for about 15 or 20 minutes. And then you can do some free math games on PBS Kids or free games on Splash Learn.